In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a vision board in just 5 minutes. A vision board is a powerful tool to help you visualize and focus on your life goals. It's like a tangible reminder of your dreams, keeping them alive and vibrant as you work towards them. To create your own vision board today, we'll be using Canva, a user-friendly design platform. First, open Canva, and in the search bar type vision board. You'll find a range of beautiful templates ready to inspire. The purpose of this search is to find a design that resonates with you and aligns with your personal vision. Consider the themes, colors, and layouts that speak to you. Spend a moment exploring until you find the perfect fit. Once you've selected a template, click on it and then select the Customize this template option. Customization is where the magic happens as you get to infuse your personal style and aspirations into the board. This step provides an excellent opportunity to make the board uniquely yours. Keep in mind that your vision board should be a reflection of your goals and desires. Now it's time to edit the text on your template. Click on the text fields that come with the template and start inputting your motivational quotes, life goals, or any affirmations that resonate with you. This is a moment to be honest and hopeful about your ambitions. Each word you type should reflect the dreams and positive affirmations you want to surround yourself with. Next, you'll want to add personal images, so click on the Uploads tab in the left sidebar. Here you can bring in personal photos or images that represent your goals or inspire you. Pictures are incredibly effective in anchoring your aspirations because they evoke emotions and motivate action. Whether it's a picture of a future travel destination, a dream home, or career aspirations, ensure each image holds significance. To incorporate these images into your board, simply drag and drop them onto the template, replacing any existing placeholders. This action is straightforward but crucial, as it ensures your vision board is not only aesthetic but truly personal. Feel free to rearrange images and text until the layout feels balanced and inspiring to you. Remember, creating a vision board is a very intuitive process, so trust your instincts. Let your creativity flow, and don't hesitate to make adjustments until everything feels right. After you've finalized your design, take a moment to appreciate your work. This board is now a visual representation of your goals and a motivational tool to guide your journey. Keep it somewhere visible so you can frequently be reminded of what you're working towards. In just a few minutes, you've crafted a personal vision board on Canva that captures your dreams and ambitions. Be proud of this milestone and let this board be a beacon of inspiration as you move closer to achieving your goals. Thank you for watching.